Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. In this video we will be discussing sleeping mask. So if you want to know what a sleeping mask is and if you need one, keep watching. Okay, so thank you so much for coming to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Just hit it. You got it? Okay, good. Then hit the notification bell. Did that too? All right, awesome. Also, every Monday at 7, feel free to join us, or me, for Monday Night Makeup, where we discuss all things makeup, beauty, skincare, hair care, all that good stuff. Okay, so what is a sleeping mask? A sleeping mask is a last skincare step for your nighttime skincare routine that's supposed to help seal in all of your skincare. So basically what happens is it's getting late, time for bed. You will cleanse, exfoliate, tone, eye cream, serum, moisturizer. Once you put all of that on and your face dries, you would then put the sleeping mask. And the sleeping mask would lock in all that skincare, so while you sleep, it's all protected by this layer of mask, and your skincare can do what it needs to do instead of being rubbed off on your pillow. So, do you need it? No. I like to use it, and here's why. I'm a tosser turner. I don't sleep, like when I go one position, I don't just go to sleep like that. Like I toss and turn until I eventually get comfortable, and then I sleep. And that tossing and turning, face rubbing against the pillow, does take away some of the moisture from your face. So what would happen was, I would put on my skincare on for nighttime. I would be nice and moisturized and greasy looking, and then when I woke up in the morning, my face would be dry. And I'm just like, I put on eye cream, serum, moisturizer, I cleansed, like I did all the steps. How is it that my face is dry when I step in the shower? And I mean, granted, it's not really that much of an issue because I literally get in the shower, wash my face, and then do this whole skincare routine again. And then once I'm living my life, my face doesn't get as dry as from like hitting the pillow all those times in the night. So I was like, I'm gonna try a sleeping mask. So I purchased the Laneige because I love their lip mask. Like, I will never live without the Laneige lip mask ever. So I was like, let me get their sleeping mask. So I got the water sleeping mask from Laneige. I'm gonna do a whole review on this, but I just wanted to show you guys this is what I had. And I really liked it. It was working, everything was going great. But then I got a sample of Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow sleeping mask, and it's amazing. I love this one more. I think it's better. And really what I love about both products that they do, even though one I like better than the other, is that once your skin, when you wake up in the morning, your skin still feels soft. When you wash your face with your cleanser, it's literally like someone was giving you a microdermabrasion in your sleep. Like, and this is for both of them. So I'm gonna assume that all sleeping masks do this, because having that extra layer to just keep your moisturizer and your skincare intact and not harmed must really protect it over the course of the night. Because when you wake up, when you wash your face, like I said, it feels like somebody was giving you a scrub all night, and your skin feels amazing. And just that feeling alone is worth the $25 that this costs, right? So I really would say definitely look into different sleeping masks. See what they say, which one is good for dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, and try it out. Because the fact that you're probably most likely spending money on other skincare in the night just for you to roll around and have it disappear in the morning, really have that one last final step that's going to lock everything in, right? So you definitely want to try a sleeping mask. I think you should give them a shot. I will leave the 2 products that I've tried in the description box, and I will see you at my next video. Bye.